Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Selling on Facebook Marketplace is pretty easy. Just go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Now go ahead over to your profile right here. If you're using iOS, tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Right? Tap on it. Now go ahead over to Marketplace. If you can't see Marketplace right here, go back to Home and use the search bar. Type in Marketplace. All right, just tap on this one right here. And as you can see at the very top, you'll be able to see a sell button. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see here, we have three options: items, vehicles, or homes for sale or rent. All right. So for example, we select items right here. It could be food or any item that you want. So for example, I'm going to add in some photo right here. Just tap on the plus sign right here to add some photos. All right. Let's say, for example, we wanted to sell this PC right here. Just for example, okay. This is just a random PNG. So for example, this desktop. Now what we're going to name this particular product, the title right here, PC for sale. If you want to add for sale, that's fine. Price would be maybe 1,000. Desktop computers, as you can see here, it is automatic. If it doesn't detect automatically, you can go ahead and tap the drop down right here. You'll be able to find a ton of categories right here. All right. Once you're done with that, in condition, which is important, as most buyers would like to see the condition, or at least would like to know the condition of the particular product. As you can see here, able to use used, fair. All right, in description, say for example, this is a computer. The CPU would be a Ryzen 7 5700X. GPU would be RTX 5090, and so on and so forth. All right, condition right here, you can add in the description as well. Say for example, used but not abused. All right. Now in location, make sure that you go edit this one, as this is pretty important. There'll be a pop-up right here. Just go ahead and hit on allow to give the necessary permission while using the app. Now you will have to pinpoint where you at or where you will be available when you sell the product. All right. Now, once you're sure with the place, just go ahead and tap on apply. Once done, in more details right here, there will be a drop down as well. Go ahead and add in a brand if you want to. Form factor, processor type is for gaming. Yes. Brand may be AMD. Form factor, maybe a low profile. Processor type, AM4. Then listing options right here. If you want to, you can hide the particular listing from your friends. All right. If you want to, just tap on the slider right here, so that your friends won't know that you're selling something. But if you want to show this to your friends, they will be able to see it. And if you want to boost listing right here after publishing, you can go ahead and do so. This is basically ads. You're going to pay for it. Now list in more places if you want to. Just go ahead and tap on this one right here and you'll be able to see groups. All right. You can go ahead and join groups so that multiple people will see your item. All right, in here, additional listing options. You can go ahead and add in more photos right here. And as you can see, you can just review everything right here. If you prefer public meetup, tick this one, door pickup, door drop off, or if you offer shipping as well, you can go ahead and tap on the slider right here and turn it on. All right, now once that's done, just hit on next. There'll be a pop-up, just tap on a blank space. And as you can see here, publish your listing in one place. So go ahead and tap on it, publish. As you can see here, it is now publishing and is currently in review. Just go ahead and tap on it if you want to review it. And it says here, as part of our process, all listings go through a standard review to make sure they follow our rules for selling. This is to help everyone buy and sell responsibly. If your listing is approved, it will become visible to others on Marketplace. All right, go ahead and tap on the slider right here so that you'll be notified if your item is now public. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.